Welcome back to Motor Future, where power meets passion, and today we're diving into one of the boldest and most muscular machines of the year, the 2025 Ducati Diavel. A bike that defies categories, blurs the line between cruiser and sport bike, and demands attention every time it rolls onto the street. If you thought Ducati couldn't push the Diavel any further, think again. The 2025 update is more aggressive, more advanced, and more exhilarating than ever before. Let's start with what makes the Diavel so special. It's never been your average cruiser. With roots in Italian design and performance engineering, the Diavel has always taken the soul of a superbike and wrapped it in a body that looks like it just walked out of a sci-fi movie. The 2025 version carries this legacy forward with sharper lines, a beefier stance, and upgraded components that make this a true powerhouse on two wheels. Whether you're parked outside a cafe or blasting down a highway, the Diavel makes a statement before you even twist the throttle. At the heart of the 2025 Diavel is Ducati's latest generation Testastretta DVT 1262 engine. This liquid-cooled L-twin delivers a thunderous 162 horsepower and 129 Nm of torque, but with a level of refinement and control that's rare in a bike this powerful. The dual spark system and variable valve timing ensure smooth power delivery throughout the rev range, whether you're cruising at low RPMs or hammering it down the freeway. It's fast, responsive, and thrilling, but still surprisingly rideable for day-to-day use. Now, let's talk performance. The Diavel isn't just built for straight-line dominance. Thanks to its advanced electronics suite and refined chassis, it corners with confidence and brakes like a beast. The 2025 model features Ducati's full suite of rider aids, including cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and multiple riding modes that can be customized to your mood or environment. Whether you're in sport mode chasing adrenaline or urban mode navigating city streets, the Diavel adapts to your needs effortlessly. The suspension system has also seen updates. The fully adjustable 48mm front forks and rear monoshock offer the perfect balance between comfort and control, making the Diavel suitable for both long rides and spirited weekend blasts. The braking setup is equally impressive, with Brembo M50 monoblock calipers up front and a dual 320mm disc setup that brings this beast to a stop with confidence. Ducati has also fine-tuned the ergonomics, with a low seat height of 780mm and wide handlebars that give you a commanding position without compromising comfort. But let's not ignore the style, because with the Diavel, it's just as much about presence as it is performance. The 2025 version continues Ducati's tradition of pushing design boundaries. It features new LED matrix lighting that gives the front and rear a futuristic edge, a sleeker tail section, and re-sculpted air intakes that enhance the bike's muscular silhouette. The massive rear 240mm tire remains an iconic element, giving the bike a dragster-like stance that's instantly recognizable. One of the most notable updates this year is the introduction of a full-color 5-inch TFT display, which not only looks brilliant in direct sunlight but also integrates seamlessly with Ducati's multimedia system. Pair your phone, control music, take calls, or access navigation, all at the flick of a button. The Diavel is not just a brute, it's a technologically advanced machine that blends luxury and performance like few others can. Customization has always been a strong point for Ducati, and the 2025 Diavel is no exception. Ducati offers a range of official accessories, from carbon fiber parts and billet aluminum mirrors to comfort seats and touring packages. Whether you want to go full-on street fighter or give it a laid-back cruiser vibe, the Diavel can be tailored to your exact vision. As for price, the 2025 Ducati Diavel starts at approximately $22,995, depending on the trim and optional features. That positions it firmly in the premium segment, but it's clear that you're getting more than just a bike, you're getting a complete experience. For those looking for an extra splash of exclusivity, Ducati also offers the Diavel S version, which adds a lean suspension, premium wheels, and enhanced detailing that make it stand out even more. So who is the 2025 Diavel really for? It's for the rider who doesn't want to be put in a box. Someone who appreciates the raw power of a performance motorcycle, the aesthetic of a cruiser, and the technology of a modern sport bike all rolled into one aggressively styled machine. Whether you're new to the Ducati world or a longtime enthusiast, the Diavel is more than just a bike, it's a statement. In a world full of imitations and lookalikes, the Diavel remains one of a kind. It breaks rules, sets new benchmarks, and does it all with the unmistakable flair of Italian engineering. If you're looking for something that turns heads, delivers heart-pounding performance, and feels like nothing else on the road, the 2025 Ducati Diavel might just be your next obsession. Thanks for watching Motor Future. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more high-octane bike reviews and updates from the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.